Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by assembling the topology. Place a wireless router, or WRT, plus at least one PC and a wireless client. Connect router to switch, then PC to switch. Use a console cable to access CLI if needed. Assign the router gateway IP and a DHCP pool so clients can get addresses automatically. Once done, open the router GUI or CLI to begin wireless SSID configuration. This gets you past prerequisites and into the first actionable steps quickly and reliably. Now you configure the wireless network itself. In the router interface, set the SSID, channel, and wireless mode. Pick a less congested channel to reduce interference. Next, enforce security. Enable WPA2PSK and AES encryption with a strong passphrase so clients authenticate securely. Configure DHCP with an appropriate pool and lease time. You can add static reservations for servers or printers. Make sure to save the running configuration to startup so changes persist after a simulated reboot. Finally, connect your wireless client to the SSID and enter the passphrase. You should receive an IP from the DHCP pool. Verify connectivity by checking the IP, gateway, and DNS on the client, then ping the router and an external IP to confirm routing. If something fails, make sure the SSID name and security type match between client and router. Check for channel overlap or DHCP scope conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip. If clients get APIPA addresses, recheck DHCP pool and interface assignment on the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.